Hi guys, welcome to yet another video around the Telegram automation. So in this video we'll see how you'll be able to send attachment to a Telegram group using a bot. Okay, so in previous video you saw how you'll be able to send normal message. Now in this video we'll see how you'll be able to use attachment. Okay, so here I have already created a form, and if I have to send message only textual, you can use this particular one, send. Yeah, so yeah, just message appear here. You see the current time. This is current time. All right. Now coming to how you'll be able to send. So I have already registered the code here, and you see this is the form to send that one. And there are lots of functions Telegram has exposed around this, and these functions are send photo for sending image, send document. For sending audio, there is a separate function, send audio, send video, send voice, sticker animation. These are the thing you will be able to send. So sticker will have a different function you can search on the web. And so in this video we will only try to understand this one, send photo, send document. Correct. So this is the form you saw on the view page, and for send document there is a function send document here. So Telegram, this is URL, bot token, then this is send document. So this is basically a function kind of thing. For the same photo, we'll have here for send photo. Got it? So this will be a post type of stuff. So you'll have to hit a cur URL. With the help of this, it will be sent to that particular group. And of course, the chat ID will have to manage accordingly. This will be a unique based on your group, or in case you are going with one-to-one chat, it may be a different for you. And we have seen this how you'll be able to get the chat ID in the previous video. Now let's test a bit here. Yeah, so this is, so first test a normal message. So this is normal message, this is just a message, textual message, right? Send. Now the notifications will come here. So I also see the notification in my phone. You find the sound, beep sound. Yeah. So now coming to this one. So let's see the message. This is just textual, not with attachment. Got it? So it's a textual message. It's just I will have to remove. Got it? So this is the message along with your attachment up here. So let's see if I have to add this particular one. Send. Yeah, I receive on my phone and also receive. So this is textual message with attachment, and this is that attachment. Right? So you can download and open. You can also see the size, same size. Now coming to sender, let's say type 2 here so that we can easily identify. Let's try putting image here. Yeah, so this is the one, send. So the moment you click, it will take some time in uploading because it's hitting the curl URL, and before hitting that, it will upload that file. Okay, so this is coming like this. Correct. So your file will be in the downloadable form, and your image will be directly visible. If you want, you can download. Got it? So let me try another message.